Can you tell me your name and who you work for?
My name is Matthew Hoggett. I'm employed with Carlton in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
And how long have you been doing business with Glassworks?
I've been employed here almost 18 years, and you're the only company that we've worked with since I've worked here.
And what services does Glassworks provide for you?
We replace all of our clients' windshields. Anytime we have windshield replacement, glass replacement, you do regulator assemblies. So anything glass related, you all do for us.
And what makes us different from other glass companies?
In general, we love the integrity of your company. You guys are always prompt, accurate, you're good on prices, very reasonable, and efficient in what you do.
And on a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you with the work of Glassworks?
Absolutely a 10.
And would you recommend us to others?
Absolutely, we always do.
Thank you, Matt.
You're welcome.